Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL constraints example. SQL constraints are used to specify rules for the data in a table. If there is any violation between the constraint and the data action, the action is aborted by the constraint. Constraints can be specified when the table is created or after the table is created. In SQL, we have the following basic constraints. So these are the four constraints we have. Not null indicates that column cannot store null value. So if you have this constraint for a particular column, if you pass null value, what it will do is it will abort the action. Unique, this is another constraint, ensures that each row for a column must have unique value. Primary key, a combination of not null and unique, ensures that a column or a combination of two or more columns have unique identity, which helps to find out a particular record in the table quickly and easily. Foreign key ensures that referential integrity of the data in one table to match the values in the another table. So you have, say, student and student address. So these are the two tables. You can maintain a foreign key in the student table. That will be the primary key for student address table. So let's see one example for this constraint. So I'm going to create a table called student. So it says table or view does not exist, so I'm going to create a table. If you see here, for last name, it should not be null. It should not be null, not null. This is one of the constraint. Okay, so I'm going to create this table. Okay, let's create this table. Looks like table is created. Nothing is there in the table. I'm going to insert a record. Insert into student values. The second value is null. Actually speaking, this insert statement should be aborted because I'm trying to insert a null value for the last name, but the constraint we have is not null. So this should never allow null. For last name, it should never allow null. So I'm trying to break that rule. It should abort this action. It should give an error. Can you see here, column last name cannot accept a null value. So the constraint works properly in our table. Okay, so the moment I give so this should work. Yes, one row affected and it created. So the moment you pass null value and you have a constraint called not null, it will check and it will abort the action. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.